Hi there. Nice of you to join me. Let's go for a drive. I have an interesting story to share with you. Ever since the human race began walking on two legs, moving from A to B has been a major factor in surviving the harsh environment we find ourselves in. Walking, jogging, running, tiring stuff. Good thing we were able to domesticate horses to take us places. And of course, the invention of the wheel helped too. So, when we decided to combine the horse and the wheel, the whole survival game moved up a gear for the human race. A while later, the horse was replaced by the steam engine. That was replaced by the combustion engine, with varying degrees of success. But eventually, the automobile really did bring things up to speed. The main issue with speed, of course, being safety. A to B is only useful if you arrive in one piece. And your fellow travellers can also report a pleasant trip afterwards. So, when Edward Benedictus, rest his soul, invented safety glass in 1903, drivers all over the world not only felt safer, but they and their surroundings really were. Imagine a windscreen that stays in one piece when confronted with a rogue pebble, or one which, when it shatters, splinters into little pieces that have little impact on human skin. Saint-Gobain Autover, the world's most experienced producers of automotive glass, also approved of the solution and started producing the transparent armour in industrial quantities. And once we start producing something, we humans tend to keep on making it better, innovating in form, function, quality, and production processes. Innovations by Saint-Gobain Autover have created glass that accounts for 1/3 of a car's integrity, resulting in the staggering statistic that there are billions of pieces of Saint-Gobain Autover glass being driven around the globe. So much for Saint-Gobain Autover. Let's go back in time a bit. We see roads that are becoming busier by the day. We see cars that vary in shape, price, and age. New cars, old cars, they all need maintenance. In the past, when a windscreen broke, the car owner had to go to his dealer or a garage to get his clear view of things restored. With a booming industry to back entrepreneurs, specialist garages, today's fitting stations, started popping up all over the world. And these fitting stations wanted to be able to help their customers as quickly and as professionally as they possibly could. To secure safe driving by happy drivers day in, day out. And that's where Saint-Gobain Autover comes in, reliably empowering fitters from around the globe since 1991. From a small town in a small country. And Breda in the Netherlands was only the beginning. Because to drive the business of fitters all over the world effectively, Saint-Gobain Autover had to be just as innovative as their ancestors were way back in the 19th century. Staying ahead of the game by anticipating the ever-evolving automotive industry. Of course, it helps when your older brother actually creates the product you deliver. But remember, there's a lot of glass out there, and even more ways to fit it wrongly to a car. Exactly what Saint-Gobain Autover wishes to avoid. This company wants to restore the car to its original quality. An ambitious, if somewhat ambiguous ambition. What if replacing the glass actually makes the car better than it was before? Anyway, you get my drift. These guys mean business. And they need to. Copycats are everywhere. And the quality of their glass is getting better as we speak. So, how does Saint-Gobain Autover stay ahead of the glass game? What magic does it successfully use to help the automotive glass aftermarket keep drivers safe and secure? It's in the detail. Take the ever-developing web shop that's already found its way into the fitter's pocket. Not only is it the fastest and most secure way of ordering your glass and everything that goes with it, but its catalogue function is unsurpassed in its completeness and accuracy. Can you imagine the work that goes into maintaining such a system? This is service at an Olympic level, mind you. This is thinking for and with the fitter. This is actually making the industry grow. A major focus of anyone working at the company is, how can I help you to grow your business? With the completeness and accuracy of the catalogue comes responsibility. The responsibility of actually keeping the equipment in stock and delivering it on time. Saint-Gobain Autover loves responsibility, as can be seen from their 95% coverage of all current materials in the automotive glass aftermarket. Let me give you an example. Back when the company started, it had a respectable 4,000 items in stock. If we take a look today, we can see the proof of the explosive growth of the market and its superior supplier. More than 20,000 different products in the shared warehouses of local and central distribution centres. Or take this freshly introduced VIN search system, finding the correct glass and related products in the blink of an eye. Time-consuming confusion reduced to a simple operation on your computer or mobile phone. What's next? Instant delivery by drone? Do you need to train your newly engaged junior fitters? Or improve the skills of your experienced fitters? There's an online academy which works in combination with high-definition videos that help show them what goes where and in what order. Saint-Gobain Autover takes its customers very seriously. In the nicest possible way, of course. How about the continuous updating of the systems at the distribution centres? Optimising logistics, minimising errors, and constantly looking for new ways to store more products. Speed counts. Price matters. Did you notice this item here? The thing that lets me see what's going on behind my back. Around this spot in a lot of cars, there's a driver assistance system installed to secure even safer driving. If a windscreen needs replacing, this equipment will strike sheer terror into the heart of most fitters. Not with Saint-Gobain Autover around. With their constant drive to keep up to date with what's happening now and anticipate what will happen next, they advise fitters on how to replace windscreens with driver assistance systems. No worries about it slipping in bad weather. It takes a company like Saint-Gobain Autover, you understand, to create a future that's actually better than the past we're driving out of. In this future, Saint-Gobain Autover will be focusing on helping customers throughout the entire supply chain, making it easier to identify and replace more and more complex glass, supported by state-of-the-art technology that not only provides customers with up-to-date e-learning systems, instruction videos and identification systems, but also helps them control their processes and revenue. Saint-Gobain Autover is driving our fitters' business. Constantly innovating, always reliable, empowering their customers with original products and services to keep our cars in top condition and our drivers safe all over the world.